Namaste, seekers of cosmic wisdom. Baba's clock may be lazy, but the stars, always on time. It's the 1st of June, 2025, a laid-back Sunday. Sorry for being fashionably late. Blame the Wi-Fi. It went into full spiritual mode last night, with no signal to the universe. On this day, in 1792, Kentucky became the 15th state of the US. Baba wonders if they had decent chai. In 2009, Google Wave launched. It flopped. Reminder, not every wave is worth riding, folks. Today, Venus is dancing with Gemini. Expect flirtatious DMs and spontaneous new ideas. Jupiter is being a strict parent in Taurus. Spend wisely or regret loudly. Number 7 rules today. It's the seeker's number. Perfect for deep thoughts, silent coffee, and binge-watching documentaries you'll forget by Monday. Taurus, financial surprises. Check your UPI, not your crush's Insta. Virgo, clarity and confusion. Trust your list, not your feelings. Sagittarius, you'll radiate. Wear sunscreen and maybe a smile. Today's Mahurat starts at 12:45 p.m. iced tea and lasts till 2:15 p.m. iced tea. So there's still time. Perfect for signing contracts, buying gadgets, or saying yes to love, or at least pizza. Hey, June babies. You're creative, unpredictable, and slightly allergic to boredom. Today's lucky color, sun yellow. Do pitch new ideas, don't doubt yourself. Even your inner critic took a Sunday off. Happy birthday, the 1st of June, stars. Shine loud. Panapat and much of North India, warm with occasional cloud drama. Spiritual vibe, trust the process, drink water, and don't argue with people who talk in reels. Organize your digital life. Don't panic scroll doom news. Be careful of Wi-Fi outages that test your inner peace, like Baba's last night. That's it for today's Cosmic Download. AI Baba may be late, but wisdom has no timestamp. Smash that like button, subscribe for sanity, and comment your Rashi. Let's get that Astro chat going. Follow AI Baba trademark for daily Gyan, drama, and peace, all in one cup of chai.